Are you looking for the best 88-key weighted keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best 88-key weighted keyboards. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Alesis 88-key weighted keyboard. The Alesis Recital is for those who need a versatile and intuitive instrument. It comes equipped with 88 semi-weighted keys that offer a touch similar to that of a traditional piano, accommodating both beginner and advanced players. The keyboard's simple design enables smooth navigation through its features, ensuring users can fully engage with their music without distraction. Sound quality is a standout feature, with 5 voices including acoustic piano, electric piano, and synth, all enhanced by built-in effects like chorus and reverb. Whether practicing at home or performing in a live setting, the Recital delivers clear, room-filling sound, thanks to its powerful 20-watt speakers. Its educational tools, such as the 3-month Scope subscription, provide valuable resources for learners, adding to its overall versatility. Connecting the Recital to other devices is hassle-free, with multiple options like USB and RCA outputs. This connectivity, paired with its portable design, makes the Alesis Recital an excellent option for musicians on the go or those with limited space, offering a well-rounded package that punches above its weight class in the digital piano market. 88 semi-weighted keys. 5 built-in voices. 20-watt speakers. USB and RCA connectivity. Adjustable touch response. Built-in FX, chorus, reverb. 128-note max polyphony. Lesson, standard, split, and layer modes. Number 2. Donner 88-key weighted keyboard. The DEP20 from Donner impresses with its fully weighted 88-key setup, offering a tactile experience akin to an acoustic piano. Perfect for both beginners and intermediate players, it promotes proper finger technique that helps ease the transition to more advanced playing. With 238 tones at your disposal, the keyboard provides a diverse range of musical expression. Amidst its traditional styling, the DEP20 merges classical sensibilities with modern capabilities. The dual-tone mode, allowing for the combination of 2 voices, like piano and drums, is particularly notable for encouraging musical experimentation and creativity. Additionally, the inclusion of multiple connectivity options enhances its functionality as a practice and performance instrument, suitable for a variety of settings. Its practical design is complemented by user-friendly features like the LED display and MIDI compatibility, which streamline the learning and performance process. Despite its array of features, the DEP20 remains accessible, not overwhelming, making it a recommended choice for those who value simplicity alongside comprehensive functionality in their musical instruments. 88 fully weighted keys. 238 tone options. Double keyboard mode. MIDI and MP3 compatibility. 128-note max polyphony. Dual 25W amplifiers. Backlit LCD screen. Multiple pedals included. 57x 13.38x 9.25 dimensions. Electric power source. Full-weighted 88-key keyboard. The digital electric piano is constructed by 88 full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response. This 88-key weighted keyboard allows to adjust your desired playing style. Musical keyboard. 238 tones and 128 polyphony. The 88-key weighted keyboard loaded with 238 types of tone like ukulele, drum, bass, etc., vividly presenting voices of different instruments, arousing your keen-to-learn music. The digital electric piano with 128-note max polyphony, players could distinguish tone clearly in chorus and reverb under various occasions. Double keyboard and control panel. This 88-key weighted keyboard provides dual-tone mode for combining 2 voices together, like piano and drum, inspiring to make a new creation. Panel includes sustain pedal, triangle pedal, and audio inputs and outputs, perfectly used for music arrangement and an ensemble. Musical keyboard multimedia settings. This digital piano features with a backlit LCD screen for clearly showing chords names and notation and adjusting wanted tones, recording mode MIDI, MP3. Number 3. RockJam 88-key weighted keyboard. The RockJam digital piano balances portability and functionality, providing a practical option for musicians who face space constraints or are frequently on the move. With its 88 semi-weighted keys, it imitates the feel and touch of an acoustic piano, delivering a pleasant experience for both beginners and intermediate players. This keyboard is versatile enough to fit different musical genres and styles. The integration of educational tools such as Simply Piano content and keynote stickers makes this keyboard a particularly attractive option for new learners. These features help simplify the learning process, making it more accessible and engaging. The variety of sound options and rhythms further enhance its appeal, allowing users to explore different musical arrangements and expand their creative horizons. Despite its compact size, the RockJam does not compromise on sound quality. The built-in speakers deliver clear and robust audio, ensuring that performances are always heard in the best possible light. Whether practicing at home or performing in small venues, this digital piano stands out for its ease of use and comprehensive feature set. 88 semi-weighted keys. Touch-sensitive keys. Tempo control. Number 4. Best choice 88 key weighted keyboard. If you're looking for a simple digital piano, this electronic keyboard from Best Choice Products stands out as a great option. Its 88 semi-weighted keys offer a comfortable touch that suits both beginners and intermediate players. Combining ease of use with affordability, it's a popular choice for casual musicians and those just starting their piano journey. The digital piano features multiple sound settings, allowing players to experiment with 6 different instrument sounds, including organ and harpsichord. This variety can enrich practice sessions or performances, adding a layer of versatility to a relatively simple setup. The included detachable sustain pedal enhances expressiveness, providing more dynamic control over the notes. Despite its budget-friendly price, the keyboard doesn't skimp on quality. The built-in speakers deliver clear sound, although they may not match the power of higher-end models. Its compact design is ideal for small spaces, and the foldable stand ensures it can be set up or stored away with minimal effort. 88 semi-weighted keys. Multiple voice settings. Detachable sustain pedal. Built-in speakers. Compact folding stand. Music stand included. Multiple sound settings. Number 5. Yamaha P45 Digital Piano. The P45 from Yamaha exemplifies their pursuit of high-quality digital pianos, suitable for novice and experienced pianists. With 88 fully weighted keys, it mimics the authentic touch of an acoustic piano, allowing for a nuanced and expressive playing experience. This feature sets the P45 apart as an ideal instrument for those committed to improving their piano techniques. Yamaha's Advanced Wave Memory (AWM) sampling technology captures the deep, rich sounds of an acoustic piano, delivering exceptional sound quality that rivals more expensive models. The various voices in dual modes allow players to layer sounds, such as combining piano and strings, for a complex and inspiring musical experience. This piano is not only about performance but also about helping musicians expand their creative boundaries. Compact and straightforward, the P45 is designed for ease of use. Its single-button operation simplifies the process of changing settings, making it accessible to players of all skill levels. Despite its simplicity, it doesn't compromise on quality, offering a robust build and consistent performance, whether used in a home setting or on stage. 88 fully weighted keys. GHS weighted action. AWM stereo sampling. Dual mode functionality. Simple single button operation. 10 different voices. USB connectivity. Dimensions: 55.5 dx 16w x 11.25h. Sustain pedal and music rest included. USB powered. Limited voice selection. No built-in rhythms. Basic features only. Lacks a display screen. Fewer connectivity options. Includes the P45 digital piano, power adapter, sustain pedal, and music rest. 88 fully weighted piano-style keys simulate the feel of an acoustic piano and provide a quality playing experience. GHS weighted action is heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end, just like an acoustic piano.